I used to feel stuck, always worrying about money and success. One day, I decided to try something different. I committed to a simple routine for just 7 days. Each morning, I spent a few minutes visualizing my goals as if they had already happened. I repeated positive affirmations and truly felt the emotions of having achieved my dreams. By the end of the week, I noticed a shift in my mindset. Opportunities began to appear, and my confidence grew. This practice changed my life.
When you decide to take control of your thoughts and actions, amazing things start to happen. For the next 7 days, I want you to start your day with a simple yet powerful practice. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without any distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize your ideal life. See yourself living in abundance and success. Picture the details, the home you live in, the work you do, the people around you. Feel the emotions associated with this reality: joy, satisfaction, and peace. This visualization should be vivid and detailed. Allow yourself to truly experience it. Next, incorporate positive affirmations into your morning routine. Affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce positive beliefs. Examples include, I am worthy of success, I attract wealth effortlessly, and I am confident in my abilities. Speak these affirmations out loud with conviction, as if they are already true. Throughout your day, carry this positive mindset with you. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively or doubting your abilities, pause and repeat your affirmations. Remind yourself of the successful, abundant life you visualized in the morning. Another important aspect of this practice is gratitude. Each evening, take a few minutes to reflect on your day and write down at least 3 things you are grateful for. This could be anything from a kind gesture someone showed you to a personal achievement, or even just the beauty of a sunset. Focusing on gratitude shifts your mindset from lack to abundance. Pay attention to the opportunities that come your way. Often when we shift our mindset to one of positivity and abundance, we begin to notice opportunities that we might have previously overlooked. These opportunities might come in the form of new connections, ideas, or even unexpected resources. Be open and willing to seize them. It's also important to take actionable steps towards your goals. Visualizing and affirming are powerful tools, but they must be accompanied by real-world actions. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. Take care of your physical health as well. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and get enough rest. Your physical state has a significant impact on your mental and emotional well-being. When you feel good physically, it's easier to maintain a positive, success-oriented mindset. Be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you will start to see progress. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Every step forward is a step in the right direction. Trust the process. There will be days when it feels difficult to stay positive or when doubts creep in. That's okay. Acknowledge those feelings, but don't let them derail you. Keep practicing your visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Over time, these practices will become second nature. Reflect on your progress. At the end of the week, take some time to review how far you've come. Notice any changes in your mindset, your actions, and the opportunities that have appeared. Use this reflection to motivate yourself to continue the practice beyond the initial 7 days. This simple routine of visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and action can create profound changes in your life. It aligns your mind and actions with your goals, making success and riches more attainable. Stay committed to this practice. Even after the 7 days, continue incorporating these habits into your daily routine. The more you practice, the stronger your mindset will become, and the more natural it will feel to live a life of abundance and success. Don't forget that you have the power to shape your reality. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these practices, you are setting the stage for a life filled with success and riches. You are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Keep moving forward with confidence and positivity. Your dreams are within reach. This practice is just the beginning of your journey towards a more fulfilling and prosperous life. Believe in yourself and the process. Trust that by committing to this routine, you are taking significant steps towards manifesting the success and riches you desire. Your dedication and positive mindset will pave the way for incredible opportunities and achievements. As you continue on this path, let each day be a new opportunity to grow, learn, and manifest the life you envision. Your success story is unfolding, and it all starts with the powerful practices you commit to today. Maintain a journal to document your progress. Writing down your experiences, thoughts, and feelings can provide clarity and perspective. It's also a tangible way to track your growth and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your routine. These practices can help you stay grounded and focused. Mindfulness, in particular, can enhance your ability to stay present and appreciate the progress you're making each day. Set clear, achievable goals. Break down your larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes your goals less overwhelming and allows you to see continuous progress. Each small victory will build your confidence and momentum. Focus on personal growth. Success and riches are not just about financial gain, they also involve becoming the best version of yourself. Invest time in learning new skills, expanding your knowledge, and developing your character. Stay flexible and adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and challenges will arise. Being open to change and willing to adjust your plans as needed will help you navigate obstacles and continue moving forward. Adaptability is a crucial trait for long-term success. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially during setbacks. Understand that everyone faces challenges and it's okay to make mistakes. Use these experiences as learning opportunities and continue striving toward your goals with patience and perseverance. Balance work and rest. It's important to stay dedicated to your goals, but also to take care of your well-being. Ensure you're getting enough rest, relaxation, and leisure to recharge. A balanced approach will sustain your energy and motivation over time. Evaluate your progress regularly. Take time to reflect on what's working and what might need adjustment. This ongoing assessment will help you stay on track and make necessary changes to your approach. Adapt and refine your strategy as you learn and grow. Stay optimistic and focused on your vision. Challenges and setbacks are a natural part of any journey, but maintaining a positive outlook will help you overcome them. Keep your eyes on your goals and trust that your efforts will lead you to success and riches. Celebrate your achievements. Recognize and reward yourself for the progress you've made. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small, reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to continue your journey. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you are setting the stage for significant and lasting change. Your commitment and persistence will lead you to the success and riches you seek, creating a life that reflects your deepest desires and highest potential. Monitor your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. Choose words that uplift and empower you. When negative thoughts arise, gently shift them to more positive ones. This constant adjustment will help you maintain a success-oriented mindset. Develop a morning routine that energizes you. Start your day with activities that set a positive tone. This might include exercise, reading inspirational material, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea while reflecting on your goals. A strong start can influence the rest of your day. Take note of the synchronicities that occur. Often the universe sends signs that you are on the right path. These might come as chance encounters, unexpected opportunities, or seemingly random events that align with your goals. Pay attention to these moments and acknowledge them. Manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and eliminate those that do not contribute to your success. Time is a valuable resource, and using it wisely can significantly impact your progress. Stay persistent even when progress seems slow. Some days will be harder than others, and that's normal. Consistency and perseverance are crucial. Keep pushing forward, knowing that each effort is a step closer to your ultimate goals. Reflect on your daily experiences. Spend a few minutes each evening considering what went well and what could be improved. This reflection helps you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to stay aligned with your objectives. Stay open to learning. New information and insights can come from unexpected sources. Be receptive to advice, feedback, and new ideas. Continuous learning helps you grow and adapt in ways that support your SIMO. Set intentions for your actions. Before you start a task, take a moment to set a clear intention. This can increase your focus and effectiveness. Knowing why you are doing something and what you hope to achieve can make your actions more purposeful. Maintain a positive environment. Your surroundings can influence your mindset. Create a space that reflects your aspirations and motivates you. This might include having inspirational quotes, meaningful objects, or tidy workspace. Track your achievements. Keeping a record of your successes, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and provide motivation. This record serves as a reminder of how far you've come and encourages you to keep moving forward. Practice visualization daily. See yourself achieving your goals, living the life you desire. This mental rehearsal can strengthen your belief in your ability to succeed and keep you focused on your objectives. Address any fears or doubts head on. Acknowledge them, but don't let them control you. Use techniques like journaling or talking it out to process these emotions. Overcoming fear and doubt is essential to maintaining a positive, success-oriented mindset. Take care of your emotional well-being. Emotions can influence your actions and decisions. Engage in activities that promote emotional health, such as meditation, spending time in nature, or doing something creative. A balanced emotional state supports your overall well-being. Balance ambition with gratitude. While striving for success, take time to appreciate what you already have. Gratitude can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life, fostering a positive outlook. Challenge your comfort zone regularly. Growth happens when you step outside of your usual boundaries. Take on new challenges that stretch your abilities and expand your horizons. Each step beyond your comfort zone builds confidence and opens new possibilities. Keep your goals visible. Write them down and place them where you can see them daily. This constant reminder keeps you focused and motivated. Visual cues can reinforce your commitment to achieving your objectives. Invest in yourself, whether through education, personal development courses, or wellness activities. Prioritizing your growth is crucial. The more you invest in yourself, the more you enhance your capacity for success. Stay connected to your why. Knowing the deeper reasons behind your goals can provide motivation during tough times. Reflect on what drives you and let this purpose guide your actions and decisions. Practice patience. Success and riches are often the result of sustained effort over time. Trust in the process and allow yourself the grace to grow at your own pace. Patience helps you stay committed, even when results are not immediate. Cultivate a sense of optimism. Focus on what can go right rather than what might go wrong. optimism fuels motivation and resilience, helping you navigate challenges with a positive mindset. Keep your vision flexible. While having clear goals is important, be open to adjusting them as you grow and learn. Flexibility allows you to adapt to new information and changing circumstances, ensuring your path to success remains relevant and attainable. Prioritize self-care. Success is not just about achieving external goals. It's also about maintaining your health and well-being. Regularly engage in activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Self-care ensures you have the energy and focus needed for your journey. Find joy in the journey. While the destination is important, the process of getting there should be enjoyable too. Celebrate your progress, enjoy the small victories, and find pleasure in the daily steps towards your goals. This positive approach makes the journey sustainable and fulfilling. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you create a robust framework for manifesting success and riches. Each step, no matter how small, builds upon the last, moving you closer to your dreams. Stay dedicated, positive, and open to the possibilities that lie ahead. Your journey to success is a continuous process of growth, learning, and perseverance.
As you start this 7-day journey to manifest success and riches, commit to the practices shared and witness the positive changes in your life. Stay consistent, believe in your goals, and watch opportunities unfold. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights and tips on achieving your dreams. Share this video with others who could benefit from these practices. Your support helps keep the content coming. Thank you for watching, and here's to a prosperous journey ahead.